So in this video we'll be doing question 3, simplify the following. So for question A, what I did, got the like terms. So 8a to the power of 3 times 3a to the power of 3, which would become, so that 8 times 3 equals 24. A3, so 8 to the power of 3 times a to the power of 3. What I do, I just plus the two powers, which would become 6, so it would be a to the power of 6. Now for these ones, it would be b, so this is basically two b's, and that's one b. So when you times them together, it would be plus, because that would become b3. Now when you put it together, it would be 24 a to the power of 6 times b3. For question B, it's 4. So I got the like terms again, and it is times. So 4x to the power of negative 5 times 4x to the power of 5. When you times 4 together, it becomes 16. And the reason there's no x to the power of something here is because this is x negative 5, this is x5. So when the times together, they get cancelled out. Now here, it's y to the power of negative 3 times y to the power of 6. All it is negative 3 plus 6, which becomes 3. So it would be y to the power of 3. So when you put it together, it would become 16 y to the power of 3. For C, it is divided this time. So 40x to the power of 4. So that's the like terms here, so I divide it by 2x. So it becomes I did the 40 divided by 2 first, which becomes 20. x4 divided by x, that's just minusing one power, so that will become x cubed. And here y5, y to the power of 5 minus y, so that would also just be minusing 1, so it'd be y4. So when you put it together, it becomes 20 x to the power of 3 y to the power of 4. Now D, this one has no like terms, so I can't put things together. So I found out a way to represent this is here. Now just here, 12p to the power of 7 up top, and the rest down the bottom. Now question E, 3ab, so open bracket 3, so inside the bracket, all I did, I just times the outside, the index here, by every thing inside. So 3 cubed is 27. A cubed is A3, B cubed is B3. Now 6 cubed becomes 216. A to the power of 6, that will just be 6 times 3 becomes 18. So a to the power of 18, so 4 times 3, that's 12, so it will become b to the power of 12, which then, if you bring it over here, 3 minus, so you got 27, so the 216 stays at the bottom. Now the a here, a over 18, so it's a3 minus a for 18 to the power of 18. So that would become a negative 15, and then b is 3, b to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 12, which would become b over 9 when you bring it up. Last question, question F. Same thing with this. X So I got the index from the outside times it by everything in here. So x to the power of 5 becomes x to, so this would just be 5 times negative 3, which would become x negative 15. Then from here, so this is negative 3, so when two negatives are times by each other, it becomes a positive. So it would be 3 times 3, which equals y to the power of 9. Down here, negative 3 times 2 becomes negative 6. Negative 3 times x becomes x negative 3. Y negative 3 times 5 would become negative 15, so it would be y to the power of negative 15. Now here, negative 6 would again stay at the bottom. Sorry, just getting that in focus. Sorry about that. So negative 6 stays on here. X negative 3. So negative 15 minus negative 3 becomes negative 18. Y. So no, yep. X negative 18. X to the power of negative 18. Now you got the y's here. 9 minus negative 15 becomes negative 6. So it would be y to the power of negative 6. So this is the answer here.